Welcome to my channel. I'm here to make psychology easy and interesting for you. So today we're going to be answering the question, what is the placebo effect? Let's get started. So the placebo effect is an interesting phenomenon that has been studied for decades. It's when believing a treatment works causes real improvements, even if it's fake. For example, if a patient is given a pill that is sugar and not the actual medication, they still feel better because they believe the pill will help them. There are a few key points to remember about the placebo effect. First, it's all about the person's belief. If they believe the treatment will work, then it will work. Second, it doesn't matter if the treatment is fake or real. The only thing that matters is that the person taking the treatment believes that it's real. Third, the placebo effect can be very powerful. It's been shown to improve symptoms of everything from pain to depression to anxiety. Now let's look at an example. A person goes to the doctor with a headache. The doctor gives him a pill and tells him it will go away in a couple of hours. The patient takes the pill and believes the doctor. In this case, the pill is a placebo, meaning it doesn't actually have any medication in it. But because the patient believes that it will help their headache, it does. Another example is someone who is depressed. They go to therapy and the therapist gives them a homework assignment to do each day. The homework isn't actually therapy, but the person doing it believes that it will help them feel better. And because of that, it does. So how does the placebo effect work? Well, it's not exactly clear, but it's thought to involve a combination of factors, including the release of endorphins in the brain, which are natural pain relief. The placebo effect has been studied for decades, and there is a lot of evidence to support its use. In fact, many doctors now prescribe placebos as a treatment for a variety of conditions. Of course, it is important to note that the placebo effect is not a cure-all and it doesn't work for everyone. However, it is a powerful tool that can be used in conjunction with other treatments to help people feel better. So that's what the placebo effect is, a fascinating phenomenon that shows the power of the mind over the body. If you learned something new, make sure to like this video and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe for more psychology videos. And as always, thanks for watching.